So here's part 2 of my keto progress. I just wanted to talk a little bit more about it because now it's 5. I just got off work, or taking a break from work at least. I think I'm gonna put in another 2 hours a little bit later. A little tired today because I did the 40-hour fast, and that was rough. I don't know what it was, but I'm used to fasting, but oh my God, it was just like pushing through the night was just ridiculous. It was just really difficult. So I wanted to show you, prove to you that I'm actually starting to, 2 months ago, I was getting these 0.1, 0.2 values for ketones. So I'm going to prove to you that I'm being more metabolically flexible now, and showing you some of the results that I'm getting now. So let me just test my ketone. I'm going to test my blood sugar and ketones, so you'll see it. I don't see why my blood sugar would be high right now. It's been several hours since I've eaten. I think it's been about 8 hours. So I'm actually going to eat again pretty soon, but not too much. I'm so used to just doing that, spreading out my meals now. So this is my blood sugar. Just to give a glimpse, these are typical values. So right now it says 79. This is not necessarily a typical value. It's kind of on the low end, 79 milligrams per deciliter. But that does, I do get low values between 70 and 90. It's not impossible to see. So yeah, there I am. So anyway, I'm gonna show you what a typical ketone value would be at this time. It's 5 p.m. that is, where I space my food out by about 8 hours or so. And obviously 0 carb. So it seems like I've been doing this all the time, but I just figured I would show you what it looks like now versus 2 months ago, which I wasn't getting. I would have to do this crazy cardio and all that, so let's go ahead and see. I'm at 1.3. So I didn't do any. So I did walk 2 miles today, or 3 miles, but that was 4 hours ago, 5 hours ago. But the intensity of the exercise that I did today is nowhere near as crazy as I was doing beforehand when I was doing the low fat approach. So I'm mobilizing fat, and I'm being way more fat adapted now than I ever have in the past. And right now, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to break my so-called fast, because it's been 8 hours, with just just some nuts. I don't mind having a few macadamia nuts now, and pumpkin seeds. It's I have no guilt about it now. And almonds, I get the blanched almonds because that's as close to 0 carbs as you can get with that. So here's some nuts. Here's my Brazil nuts. So I'll have 2 a day. I haven't eaten these today yet, so. Fractal eating. I'm gonna have 2 of these. I think I had 2 today, but I'm trying to find a whole one. Screw it, I'll just have these. Fused silvered almonds. I might cook something, I'm not sure. But yeah. Good stuff. This is one of my favorite. I'll have this after the meal. Right after the meal. And then I basically have a glass of almond milk, and I'm satiated. I just felt like eating a cross section of the stuff that I've been eating on camera. So yeah, this is really good stuff. packed with magnesium. And then I made some tahini butter. Actually, black tahini seeds. So I'll actually spread that on some lilies. Very still low carb. So see, I normally don't just willy-nilly like snack like this, but I just wanted to show you. So I got a knife. I made it out of like this, black sesame seeds, and so sometimes I'll get see how like it's pretty thick. It looks pretty good. Actually, it looks delicious to me. Sometimes I'll just have like a little bit, but I like to spread it on some Lily's chocolate. And so I just grab it and then I spread it over here, just like so, and it looks pretty good. So good. I'm gonna have a little bit more. Now, to this extent, I don't count calories accurately, but I do estimate. So right now I probably just had about 20 or 30 calories, because that was about like a teaspoon and a half of nut butter. So I just put a mental record of everything, and then I'll type it out to my friend Mark. I just do the calculation. Like, I'll copy and paste it onto Google. So yeah, thanks for watching.